I just finished my second RGB build, and this is it. It's a Lian Li Dynamic 011, the regular model. And one thing that I've noted, that the first one I built was the white edition with white fans and everything. And this is a black build. And it looks nice and everything, but if you want to go really into the RGB stuff with animations and proper lighting and everything, I would prefer the white build, because the white surfaces reflect the light. With the black ones, it's just dead. It hardly catches on any light, so you only see the components that emit the light. And well, that depends on what you're after. This is maybe a bit more sleek, discreet look. And I think the blue one looks nice, because then the power switch is also in blue, and you can't change the color of that one. But white is more fun if you're gonna go full RGB. So yeah,